Alright guys, so nagbabalik na naman tayo sa isa na namang video kung saan mag-feature tayo ng mga meme coins na galing sa aking sources. No? So last time, feature natin dito Smug. Last time, feature natin Meme Combat. Last time, feature natin Sponge Token. At before pa siya sumabog yung Smug ng times 100, na feature na natin siya dito. Bago pa sumabog yung Meme Combat ng times 5, na feature na natin siya dito. And same as well with Sponge at sa napakaraming projects na na-feature natin. Kasi yung sources natin ay tama. No? So, ito, bigay sa atin to ng sources natin, Bitcoins. They are the big boys, they have the marketing fund, and they are really pushing this thing to the masses. No? So, right now, it is very early. At kita nyo naman, pakalahati pa lang yung stage na pupuntahan. Okay? I mean, next price increase pala to, hindi pala, never mind. Pero sobrang aga pa. Okay? Na-feature na rin siya sa mga iba't ibang news articles katulad yan kasi nabibili lang naman yung mga yan. As I said, they are really pushing the marketing, malaki yung fund nila, at malaki rin yung chance na tumaas yung presyo nito 3 to 5 days after ng listing nila. Okay? So, ayan. Bitcoins, yung pangalan niya, 99 Bitcoins pala with the number, and now we will learn why. So, when MyPoints launched the world's first rewards platform, okay, meron siyang rewards platform. Okay? Yung play-to-earn model nagkaamas ng 8.9 billion market in 2023, and that is the market na tinatarget nito 99 Bitcoin. Okay, so, disclaimer na ulit, hindi natin ito pinapromote, nire-review lang natin. Tingnan natin. BRC20 powered platform. This thing is very new. BRC20 token enables decentralized apps on top ng Bitcoin network nila. So, parang gumagawa sila ng panibagong network dito sa 99 Bitcoins platform. Okay, so 99 BTC token rewards. Ito nga pala yung token allocation, 10% sa pre-sale, 14% sa staking, project funds is 27%, community rewards is 17, at liquidity is 8, and marketing is 23. And as you can see dito, yung marketing, yun yung pangalawa sa pinakamalaking token allocation nila, which really means that they are really pushing this thing right now. At ito yung roadmap nila up and beyond 2024. Okay? So, pwede rin kayo sumali ng airdrop. Okay? Airdrop, you can get free tokens nila just by completing the task na nakalista dito. Okay? So, pwede kayo manalo ng pera dyan, ng tokens nila, I mean, without investing anything. So, airdrop, it is totally free. Okay, staking 99 Bitcoins token pag bumili kayo. Okay, pag bumili kayo dito, yung binili nyo, pwede nyo rin i-stake. So, kapag in-stake, naka-lock siya, and after a period of time, merong lock period yon, meron kang rewards na matatanggap. So, 4,229% yung rewards niya per annum. So, computing nyo na lang, divided by 365, at malalaman nyo yung percento every day. Okay? Kasi dito per annum yan eh. So, 4,000% per annum. Okay? Yung mag-i-increase na yung tokens nyo. Okay? So, paano mag-participate sa pre-sale? No, so, dito, pwede kayo bumili. Kayo bahala kung anong chain yung gagamitin nyo. Pero, pwede buy with BNB or Ethereum, USDT or card kung wala pa kayong wallet mismo. No? So, yan. Pero, bago yun guys, okay, papaalala ko lang sa inyo, hindi ko to pinapromote, hindi ko to inaano. Kumbaga, nireview lang natin, feature kayo pa rin naman yung bahala at the end of the day. Kung gusto nyo or hindi. Okay, hindi ko sinasabihan na kasi kayo pa rin naman yung may choice, okay? Pero ito lang, always do your research and only invest the money that you are willing to lose. Kasi at the end of the day, this is risky, okay? So, para mas lalo kayong manalo, syempre, kailangan nyo mag-research. At one good thing to do is i-follow yung mga social media sites nila. Tulad nito, sa Twitter, meron silang 17k followers. At dito naman sa Telegram, meron silang 450 subscribers. So, ngayon, ang gusto kong gawin nyo is kung sasama kayo dito, i-follow nyo sila para updated kayo sa mga events, sa mga bagong updates, at sa mga iba't iba pang balita na ilalabas nila. Okay? At kung hindi naman, pwede rin naman i-follow nyo just in case na maging updated lang din kayo. No? If ever man lang. So, yun lang guys. Maraming salamat sa panonood nyo. So, see you soon sa ating next video. Thank you.